A stove, he said.
Turn it around. Look on the front. That's the back.
What's inside? Mama, do I need a key?
Maybe. Did you get some keys somewhere?
Oh yeah, I forgot my monkey one.
Hell, I
Go find them.
heard
I
different,
think they're by your stocking.
heard different arrangements this time. This girl sings. She sings it to a different tune.
they're
But
my
she says
purse.
some different things.
There.
I'm getting nothing for Christmas.
It's the big key, Tucker.
Look, Mama. I put my thing inside my thing already.
Cool.
This one? Ow.
Is it the big one, Grandmommy?
Yep. It's
Yep.
the big one.
Yep,
So
that's
which
it.
big key do you mean?
The biggest. There's one big.
This one? Yes, this one.
Okay, and you gotta turn it all the way around.
Oh wow.
All the way around, and then you gotta pull it out.
Whoa, I forgot to zip my thing.
Did you get it? No, you gotta turn it all the way around and pull it.
He's turned it all the way around.
Okay, stop, baby. You're gonna lock it back.
Now pull it out.
Yeah, what do you think the Riddler's called? Whoa!
Oh my.
Bailey, I love it.
I got some games. Wow!
Who's this one?
Kirby.
Kirby.
Ooh, Kirby.
Can you read this one?
Fuzzy Tails.
That's Pong.
You have a whole bunch of games in there. Winnie the Pooh.
And this one's got a couple of different games, and this one's Frogger. What do you think? You like that box?
Yeah. Hey, you can keep all your games in
My
there.
turn. All
If
right.
you ever lose a piece there instead of taking off.
Mommy's got extra.
Oh.
I thought of that.
It's the same thing.
Not there, baby. Be the one on the front. Those are extra locks. I figured y'all like locks.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, cutie pie.
Thank you, Marie.
You gotta turn it all the way around and pull it
You're
out.
welcome. Thank you. You're welcome so much, Bailey. Thank you. Can't pull it out.
It's gotta be straight up and down. Bring it over here. Don't break it, baby.
Okay, Bailey, let me see you opening yours while they were working on that lock.
Mama, no, Mama, I love mine already. Whoa, you're heavy.
Okay.
I love it. Biggest.
All the way around. You want your keys back?
Oh, we found the keys.
Okay, Amy, what's in yours? Bailey, you have to turn it all the way around or it won't come back out.
Mama,
Can you bring it back up here and I can?
Storybook DS.
Oh, yes.
Okay, you gotta turn it all the way.
I did it.
You didn't turn it all
You
the
did
way.
it, baby.
Super Mario something.
Oh, yeah.
And I got Piglet Enchanted game instead of Piglet's Big
Enchanted.
All the way
Movie.
around.
Oh, yes.
And then
I
Splatoon 2.
favorite movie.
What?
Yeah, did you get Splatoon 2?
Yes, sir.
It's my favorite movie.
Star Wars.
Oh, yeah.
And I only
It's a
know
carrying strap, Emery.
Bailey, is
Toy
there a
Story?
little couch in the top of yours?
Oh, and I have 2 more games.
Oh, Brain Age of Mario.
Daddy, you're gonna love it.
Aha.
M and M's game.
Eminem's game.
Oh, that's cute.
And
I mean, I actually got Colby instead.
Zoo Tycoon.
Zoo Tycoon DS. Everyone. Okay, I'm opening all these.
Okay, and before you...
Oh, this one's already open.
Oh, don't drop them, baby.